Today, we're going to learn how to create amazing, squishy ASMR AI videos from start to finish. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and also in the pinned comment below. Next, we'll send that prompt to ChatGPT. It will generate 10 different video ideas for us. From those suggestions, we'll simply choose the one we like the most and send the number of that idea back to ChatGPT. Then, we'll click Copy to Image Prompt. Now, let's head over to the Google Flow website. Click on New Project, then select the following settings: Image, 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. After that, paste the prompt and click Send. Once the image has finished generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 1 Prompt. Next, we'll return to Google Flow. This time, choose Video, Frames 9:16, Omni Flash, 8 seconds, and X1. Click on the generated image, select Animate, paste the Video 1 prompt, and click Send. Once the first video is finished generating, we'll move to the last frame of that video and click Save Frame. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT one more time and click Copy to Video 2 Prompt. Return to Google Flow, click on the saved image, choose Animate, paste the Video 2 prompt, and click Send. And that's it. Goodbye!